สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a special guest with me and her name is Pat. You want to say hi again?
Hi, I am Pat. I am happy to be back again with Kusara.
I'm so happy to have you again as well. Okay, last time Pat was helping me demonstrate how to do a proper Y, but today we're gonna teach you about pronouns in Thai. We're gonna start with the first scenario. Let's say Pat and I were friends, and then this is how we use the pronouns with our friends. So we use the pronoun chán, okay? Chán and gẹ. Chán is used for first person and gẹ is used for second person. Chán and gẹ, okay? Chán, gẹ, chán, gẹ.
ฉัน แก ฉัน แก
Also though, chan is also used for guys, okay? Usually you hear pom, right? You hear pom in a conversation when, you know, a guy address himself, right? But if a guy is talking to his friend who is a lady, he usually addresses himself as chan, okay? Not pom, okay? Chan. Okay, so now we're gonna do a role play. I'm gonna be friend number 1 and then Pat's gonna be friend number 2. We're gonna start with this phrase. แกไปกินข้าวที่ไหนดี
ฉันอยากไปพารากอน
แกไปกินข้าวที่ไหนดี
ฉันอยากไปพารากอน
แกไปกินข้าวที่ไหนดี
ฉันอยากไปพารากอน
Okay. แก okay. I address her as แก right? แกไปกินข้าวไป is go กินข้าว is to eat. We say the phrase กินข้าว as in to go for a meal because ข้าว is a staple food in Thai culture. ที่ไหน means where, okay? And D means good. So usually you hear this word a lot in a conversation. We usually ask in a way that means where's good to go, what is good to do, okay? So ไปกินข้าวที่ไหนดี means where is good, where is a good place to go for a meal, okay? Or basically it means where do you want to go for a meal or where should we go for a meal?
ฉันอยากไปพารากอน
She addressed herself as ฉันอยากไปอยาก is want to, okay? ไป is go. ฉันอยากไป Paragon. Paragon in Thai, English way to say it is พารากอน okay? พารากอนรอบนึงนะมึงกูแย่มึงกู So we're gonna move on to the next pair of pronouns we want to teach you today, which is กู and มึง กู มึง กู มึง
กู มึง กู มึง
Okay, กู is I and มึง is you. Usually these two are used together. So กู and มึง can be used among friends that are really close to each other. For example, between female and female, male and male, or even female and male, okay? So in those cases, กู and มึง can be used, okay? And they are considered appropriately used in the context. This is because กู and มึง you know, have both positive and negative connotations. If you use between people you're really close with, it's totally fine. But if you use with the people who you're not so close to, you can come across as being rude. And also กู and มึง are used when people are fighting each other or have some sort of arguments. And now we're gonna do a role play, a conversation between two female friends, how we use กู and มึง in the conversation. มึงทำอะไรอยู่
กูอ่านหนังสืออยู่อ่ะ
มึงทำอะไรอยู่
กูอ่านหนังสืออยู่อ่ะ
Okay, so มึงทำอะไรอยู่ มึง I address her as มึง right? ทำอะไร do what? ทำ is do, อะไร is what? You is a word in Thai that indicates present continuous that is happening right now. Usually in a conversation that we use mung and gu, we sometimes end the sentence with wa, okay, wa. So it's like ka, but you change the k sound to w sound, wa, okay, wa. It's not a very polite word, but you will hear it in a conversation a lot when Thai people use mung and gu. So I'm gonna ask again and use the word wa as well this time. มึงทำอะไรอยู่วะ
กูอ่านหนังสืออยู่อ่ะ
มึงทำอะไรอยู่วะ
กูอ่านหนังสืออยู่อ่ะ
Okay, and also we usually dropped อะไร okay, drop the first syllable a to ไรทำไร means ทำอะไร I'm gonna show you how we actually say it in a conversation. I'm gonna start with the fast pace first. มึงทำอะไรอยู่วะ
กูอ่านหนังสืออยู่อ่ะ
มึงทำอะไรอยู่วะ
กูอ่านหนังสืออยู่อ่ะ
มึงทำอะไรอยู่วะ
กูอ่านหนังสืออยู่อ่ะ
So กูอ่านหนังสืออยู่ว่ะ กู is I, right? อ่าน is read, okay? หนังสือ is book or books. หนังสือ okay? อ่านหนังสือ read a book or books. อยู่นะคะ อยู่นะคะ you again is a word to indicate present continuous in Thai. For affirmative and negative sentence, we use wa. And if it's a question, okay, it's wa. So when I ask her, มึงทำอะไรอยู่วะ that's high tone, right? wa. But she will reply with wa. So I'm teaching you this so you know why we don't use ka or ka in conversations sometimes. Okay, we don't use it a lot when we talk to people that we're really close with. But as a lady, my mom always encourages me to always use ka and ka instead of wa and wa because that doesn't sound nice, okay? And now we come to the last pair of the pronouns that I want to teach you today, which are ตะเอง and เขา okay? We use ตะเอง and เขา with the person we're dating. ตัวเอง means myself or oneself, but we use ตัวเอง to address the other person, which is really interesting, right? And in conversation, we drop the word ตัว to ตะ okay? So you hear ตะเอง instead of ตัวเอง okay? ตะเอง เขา literal meaning is he or she, right? But for a couple, when they, talk to each other, they use the word เขา to address themselves, okay?
เขาตัวเองเขาตัวเอง
เขาแต่เอง Now we're gonna do a role play, okay? So you will hear it in a conversation, like how we use it. แต่เองวันนี้อยากทำอะไร
วันนี้เขาอยากว่ายน้ำ
แต่เองวันนี้อยากทำอะไร
เขาอยากว่ายน้ำ
แต่เอง I address her as แต่เอง right? แต่เอง วันนี้ is today. วันนี้ is today. อยาก want ทำไร comes from ทำอะไร okay? In short, it's ทำไร แต่เองวันนี้อยากทำไร
วันนี้เขาอยากว่ายน้ำ
วันนี้ today, right? เขา she addressed herself as เขา okay? เขาอยาก want ว่ายน้ำ is to swim, okay? So she wants to go to swim today.
วันนี้เขาอยากว่ายน้ำ
วันนี้เขาอยากว่ายน้ำ So when you hear in a conversation, right? When Thai, between couples say เขาอยากว่ายน้ำ it sounds like, the person talk about the third person, but it's not the case, right? Because, we use เขา to address ourselves when we talk to someone we're dating or someone we have a romantic relationship with. Alright, and that wraps up our session for today. We have learned the pronouns ฉัน แก we use with friends, มึง กู we also use those with friends, and sometimes we use those with the people whom we have a fight with. And we learned ตะเอง and เขา, okay? We use those with the person we're dating. If you like this video,
hit a like and subscribe
and make sure you hit the bell icon as well, okay? Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye!
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ ไม่พร้อมกัน
เอาไว้
In those cases, gu and mung is and also make sure you hit the bell icon as well, okay? ไปแล้วกันพูดผิด